Hello, today I want to share my latest project with you. It's the acorn fairy house. I got the tutorial from Craft Knife Chronicles. Well worth checking out this lady's work, she's amazing. The paper collection that I used for this was Graphic 45 and it is Once Upon a Springtime. I'm making myself dip into some of my collections rather than just hoarding them, and it has to be something special because I love the papers so much. So as you can see, this is the completed project. Quite a big project to tackle, however step by step you break it down and it's great fun. We have a mushroom here, as you can see, and the leaf, the smaller leaf with the butterfly on top, and the garden swing. Coming to the front, we have the path going up to the steps to the front door with the little flower pots. Inside the fairy house are the fairies. You can probably see that one there. And the roof is made from leaves, well, petals, and this pops off because that's where the mini album will go. Haven't made the mini album yet, simply because I haven't looked yet for one that I really want to make. I want to do the paper justice, and I quite like interactive albums, so I want to find one that I really like. We come in here and you can see the flowers in the garden and the little window boxes on the window there. We have the leaves, which are the steps going up to the middle leaf where the deck chair is, and the top leaf. I'm going to get a fairy to go on the top of there, I think, just to finish that off. As you can see, there's a fence all the way around, with the grass growing around the outside. I'm going to try and move this around because I'm doing this one-handed, as you've probably gathered. I am not good with filming, never have been. Cannot get the tripod set up where it needs to be, so I have to resort to one hand all the time, which is very annoying. Right, there's the back view. You've got the little balcony and the two windows either side, and balcony door. There's fairies inside there. Coming back to where we were, and that's the back view. Lovely project, as I say. Really admire this lady's work. Pop along and have a look and see. As I said, you won't be disappointed. Thanks for looking. Bye.